Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how to find the tangent line, the slope, the tangent line, and the normal. And the f of x we're going to use is f of x equals x squared at a given point at x equals -2. Okay, so first thing we have to recognize is that we actually have a point. We have the coordinates of a point, but we have to find the y value. So f of -2 equals -2 squared equals 4. So our point is -2, 4. Okay? So now we have to find the slope. The slope at any given point, we looked at that on Monday, was the limit as h goes to 0 of f at a plus h minus f of a all over h. A represents the x value at that point. So in this case, we have -2 plus h squared minus -2 squared, and that's over h. So if we simplify the top, we get 4 minus 4h plus h squared minus 4, and on the bottom we have h. So the 4 plus 4 and -4 cancel, and we get minus 4h plus h squared over h. Factor out the h, we get h times -4 plus h over h. The h's cancel. Now we can find the limit by plugging in the value of 0. So we say that the limit as h goes to 0 of -4 plus h, plugging in the 0, we get -4, and that's the slope. So the slope at when x equals -2 is -4. Okay? That's the first step. We're asked to find the slope. The next step is we want to find the tangent line. Well, we have the equation of a line, the point slope equation of the line, and that says y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And our point is -2, 4, and our slope is -4. So let's plug those values into this equation, and we get y minus 4 equals -4 times x plus 2. Simplify that. I get y minus 4 equals -4x minus 8. Add 4 to both sides, and we get y equals -4x minus 4. And that's the equation of the tangent line when x equals -2. Another thing we have to do is to find the normal. Well, the normal is just the line that's perpendicular to the tangent line. For perpendicular slopes, if my slope is -4, a slope that's perpendicular to that is the negative reciprocal, so the slope of the normal equals 1/4. Now we plug those values, we're at the same point, we plug those values back into into this equation, and we get y minus 4 equals 1/4 times x plus 2. Simplify that, we get y minus 4 equals 1/4 x plus 1/2. Add 4 to both sides, and we get y equals 1/4 x plus 4.5. So this is the equation of our normal. Here's the tangent line. Here's the normal. Okay, so now we've got the function, we've got the tangent line, we've got the normal line. What I want to do now is draw a graph of all three on the same set of axes. So let me set up my axes. Okay, -1, -2. So the function looks like this. That's f of x equals x squared. Here's our point, -2, 4. Our tangent line looks like this. That's y equals -4x minus 4. And our normal line is here, perpendicular. That's y equals 1/4 x plus 4.5.